For each of the following figure, find the total area of the shaded region, where O is the center of the circle. Okay, O is the center of the circle. Okay. So, what we will do?
Find the squares. No. Yes, find the squares area and the parallelograms and the triangles and the circles, and then minus all of them.
Exactly. So first of all, we need to find this total. Yeah, first of all, we need to find the total. So, क्या हो जाएगा ये area?
Length times breadth.
Good. Yes. So, 12 plus 14 plus 12. 26. 15 plus 10 is 25. 26 times 25. That's equal to 650. Okay. Now let's say this is my A1, this is my A2, and this is my A3. So first we need to find A1. So A1 आपका क्या जाएगा?
10 times
Yes, good. 10 times
19.
19, good. Yes. So this will be equal to 190 centimeter square. Okay. Okay, अब A2 फाइंड कर लेते हैं. A2 will be equal to
Half 12 into 15.
good. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 6 is 12, 5 times 6 is 30, 6 times 1 6 7 8 9 90 centimeter square. Okay, now we need to find the A3.
Pi r square.
Yes. That's equal to 50.2 centimeter square. Now what we will do?
650 minus 190 minus 90 minus 50.28.
So you will get 319.71. So that is the final area.